Hello everyone, welcome to Day of Saint. From today, I am starting new series for you that is Selenium. So here we will see Selenium introduction. In that, some topics we are covered here. First, why we use Selenium. Second, what is Selenium? Third, Selenium components or features. Selenium advantages, Selenium limitations. So start step by step. First, why we use Selenium? Because when we do manual testing, there is so many limitations are there, like compatibility testing, means cross-browser testing, regression testing. It's a time consuming, so that more human efforts required. That's why project duration will be increased. So see here, most programmers and developers who build website applications and wish to test them every now and then use Selenium. Any individual who creates web programs can use Selenium to test the code and applications. Next, what is Selenium? Selenium is used open source web UI automation testing suite. UI means user interface. It was originally developed by Jason Huggins in 2004. Selenium supports automation across different browser platforms and programming languages. So we will see on official website which browser supported by Selenium platform and languages. So go to official website. I will open this Chrome browser. Here type Selenium, search. This one is official website. I will click on that. See here. This one is official website. Selenium WebDriver, Selenium ID, Selenium Grid. These are the Selenium component. Here is downloads. Here is about of Selenium. Here is download. I will go to download this navigate page. So see, this language is supported by the Selenium. Which language? C, Ruby, Java, Python, and JavaScript. These languages are supported by Selenium. Next, say browsers. These browsers are also supported by Selenium. Which browsers? Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, Chrome, Edge. These browsers are supported by Selenium. Next, operating system means different platforms. Microsoft Windows, Mac, Linux. These are also supported by Selenium platforms. Okay. Next, Selenium components or features. It's also called Selenium features. Selenium integrated development environment means Selenium IDE. Selenium RC means remote control. This one is now deprecated. Next, Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid. This diagram shows Selenium suites. Means what? Selenium ID, its component, Selenium Grid, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium RC. These are the main component of the Selenium. Now, RC and WebDriver merged in Selenium 2 version. After that, Selenium 3 version, but nowadays new and approved version is Selenium 4. Now we will see these components step by step in detail. First, Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is implemented as Firefox extension which provide record and playback functionality on test script. It allows tester to export recorded script in many languages like HTML, Java, Ruby, RSpec, Python, C, JUnit, testing like that. So we will go to official website. See here Selenium IDE. Okay. In old version Selenium IDE, only Firefox browser is supported. But nowadays latest version, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, these browsers also are supported here. And here download previous version of IDE. Okay. Next, this one Selenium RC. Selenium RC, officially deprecated by Selenium, allows tester to write automated web application UI test in any of the supported programming languages. It supports compatibility testing. Compatibility testing means what? It's a cross-browser testing. Means Opera, Firefox, Safari, like that. So we will go official website, but here is deprecated by Selenium. That's why here is no downloads for the Selenium RC. Okay, see here, no information or downloads here. Next, Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver performs much faster as compared to Selenium RC because it makes direct calls to the web browsers. It supports compatibility testing and it also supports multiple languages. As we know, compatibility testing means what and multiple languages supported means what? Multiple languages means C, Java, JavaScript, Python, like that. And compatibility testing, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, like that. Okay. Next, Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid also Selenium Grid allows us to run our test on different machines against different browsers and different platforms in parallel. Here is parallel word is important because number of test cases we have here. That's why here and different platform and different browsers are here. So these test cases run at a one time, means parallel. This Ubuntu is one platform, Mac is one platform, and Windows is one platform, Android is. So on the Ubuntu, Firefox browser here and Mac Safari browser here use and Windows IE browser use. That's why here all the test cases run on this node. Okay, like that with respect to the browser and platforms. That's why here we have to use Selenium Grid. Go to official website. Selenium Grid. It's upward. See here. This one is Selenium Grid, and here is documentation for this here, and this latest version is 4.6.0. We will go documentation. These are the info. This is one is information for the grid. Okay, like that. Now we see advantages of Selenium. It is a open source tool because it's a free. We do not pay that charges. It supports multiple browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, Safari, like that. It supports multiple platforms like Windows, Mac, OS, Linux. It supports multiple languages, Java, Python, Ruby, C, like. Next, Selenium limitations. It supports only web-based application and does not support Windows-based application. Because here in the Selenium tool, we will write a small program. This program only on the web-based application. Okay, this one is web-based application. But Windows-based application, it does not support. It's a limitation. It cannot automate captcha or read barcode. It does not support file uploading or also downloading. Ad hoc test cases cannot be automated. It does not provide facility for data-driven testing. It does not have reporting features. Okay, so some limitations are overcome by using the third-party tool or library. So see here, window operation for that use auto IT tool means what? Uploading or downloading the file uploading or downloading. For this purpose we use auto IT tool. So data driven testing we use Apache POI library. Next, for the reporting features we use extend report. Okay, these libraries are we use here. So we will go official website, go to documentation. See here some information about the Selenium automation project. Okay, see here these are the languages supported by Selenium, and this one is small program in Java language. Okay, this automated Selenium website, official website, web based. Okay, so now this program I will run in the Selenium tool. So I will open my Eclipse. This one is program. Here I comment out because give comment here because this driver.quit command it is used for the close our window or browser. That's why here I comment. So I will run this program. See in the console bar. Here is give us message how it's work. See here. See, Chrome driver was started successfully. Now Chrome browser automatically open here. See here. See here users message for the Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Means we use Selenium tool. That's why for the opening this Selenium official website. That's why here give us message. Okay. Like that this Selenium is work. So this topic is completed today. Thank you for the watching video.